Alright, so the next problem that we'll be looking at is from chapter 3. And what we're trying to figure out in this problem is if you have a flat plate, in this case with dimensions 5 feet by 8 feet, we're trying to figure out how much pressure is being felt by this plate, assuming we're putting 5 pounds of pressure onto this plate. So something to note is that in this we're assuming that the force itself is put evenly across the entire plate. This just makes it a little bit easier. So this arrow is just to show where the force is coming from and where it's being applied to. So the force is being applied to the top of the entire plate. So we use the equation pressure equals force divided by area, so that the units will end in this case pounds per square feet. So we use this equation. So we know that the force being applied is 5 pounds. So 5 pounds divided by the total area. And to determine the total area, you multiply the length times the width of the plate, in this case 5 feet times 8 feet, and then you solve this equation so that it's 5 pounds divided by 40 feet squared total, and that the pressure is 0.125 pounds per square feet. So a good thing to note is that at the end of these problems, you always want to make sure that your end result is in the correct unit. So like if we were asking you to figure out what the PSI, or pound per square inch, would be for this entire plate, you would have to convert that area from feet to inches before solving. But in this case, we're just looking at pounds per square feet, so we don't have to do that. Also, I just wanted to make another note that square feet written like this, or square feet like this, or feet squared written like this, they're all the same thing. So don't let that confuse you.